Hi, in this video we'll be talking about operator associativity. This is about the order of evaluation of operators. Some operators share the same level of precedence with other operators, like for example multiplication and modulus. Such operators are evaluated from left to right. One exception is the exponent operator, which is evaluated in the opposite direction. The order in which operators are evaluated in an expression is called operator associativity. So in most cases we have left to right associativity, and in the case of the exponent operator we have right to left associativity. Here are some examples. Here the order will be from left to right. 3 times 4 modulus 5. These operators, multiplication and modulus, are at the same level in the hierarchy of precedence. So they are evaluated from left to right. Now the result is 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 modulus 5 is 2. We can change the order by using parentheses. So for example, we can now put parentheses over here. 3 times 4 is 12. Or if we change the order of the operators, for example like so, 3 modulus 4 times 5, the result will be 15 because it's evaluated from left to right again. 3 modulus 4 is 3, 3 times 5 is 15. And again we can use parentheses to change the order. Like for example so, 3 modulus parentheses 4 times 5. Now we get 3. This is 3 modulus, the result of this is 20. 3 modulus 20 is 3. And now the exponent operator. This one is evaluated from right to left. Have a look. 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Now this equals 512 because this is evaluated from right to left. So first this is evaluated. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So this expression is equal to 2 to the power of 9, which is 512. Now if you need a different order, the parentheses are a solution again. So parentheses 2 to the power of 3, close, to the power of 2. Now this is evaluated first. The result is 8. Now 8 is raised to the power of 2, which is 64. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.